Here we have the Fitbit Sense, which is the latest and greatest from Fitbit. It's the most advanced health tracker Fitbit offers. In this video, we're going over key features, seeing who this product would actually be good for, how it compares to the competition, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Fitbit did try the more premium route with the Fitbit Ionic, which didn't quite fare so well. But the new Sense could be the one to crack that premium market, although it's still on the lower end of the class with both the Apple Watch Series 6 and the Galaxy Watch 3. Now the Sense is a completely new line for Fitbit, but it shares more similarities to the Versa 3 than actual differences. The design and casing are almost identical, only with the Sense having more sophisticated color options. The Squircle display is also on the familiar side. It's just big enough to easily view all the information. Instead of a physical button on the side to keep things more streamlined, you get a pressure-sensitive divot with haptic feedback. It may take time to get used to, but it helps to keep the watch water-resistant to 50 meters. That's 164 feet. You'll be able to wear the Fitbit Sense for just about everything, short of maybe scuba diving. The Fitbit Sense looks and feels premium with the aerospace-grade aluminum and stainless steel. It doesn't look as boxy as the Apple Watches. We found it's lightweight and very comfy to wear, especially with the new silicone Infinity Band. This new band is even softer. In addition, it uses a special new mechanism that allows you to easily switch out the bands for different occasions. The AMOLED display looks amazing, with vibrant colors and really sharp text. Plus, it's quite bright, and viewing it outdoors wasn't an issue at all. The always-on display works well. The overall response wasn't bad, with minimal to no lag when switching between screens. But apps were a little slow to open, and occasionally some of the swipes didn't register. It's not as snappy as the Samsung or Apple Watches, which was a little disappointing for Fitbit's high-end watch. The UI is new. It's very clean and fairly simple to use. It has very digestible information, and what's great is that it's very customizable. Now, when it comes to monitoring your health and well-being, you won't find a more advanced health watch than the Sense. It's feature-packed, including an FDA-cleared ECG app in the USA. It not only shows you your heart rate, but you can get notifications if your heart rate is very high or very low. It really offers great peace of mind. You've got blood oxygen monitoring to make sure you have sufficient oxygen in your blood, and even an on-wrist skin temperature sensor. It helps with detecting illness, fertility, and various other applications. Fitbit is also the first to add an EDA sensor to help with stress management. Like the ECG, you just place your palm over the watch and it scans for electrodermal indicators. They determine how your body is responding to your stress levels, which is a little more accurate than other trackers that only use the heart rate tracker. And when it comes to sleep monitoring, you get some extensive sleep insights here. Plus, you get Fitbit's Smart Wake alarm that wakes you during the optimal stage of sleep. Of course, you've also got your all-day activity tracking, automatic workout detection, and onboard GPS. The GPS tracks your walks, runs, rides, and more. Just keep in mind that although the Sense's battery is rated for over 6 days, it's really closer to 4 to 5 days. And remember too, that you'll take a big battery hit once the GPS is turned on. Plus, using features like the always-on display and sleep monitoring will also affect the actual battery mileage. The Fitbit Sense comes with an integrated speaker and microphone for taking calls and use of voice commands. If you're in the Apple camp, you've got Siri, and with Samsung, you've got Bixby. But the Sense is a little more versatile when it comes to assistants. It offers support for both Alexa and Google Assistant. So what's the verdict? If you're just looking for a little more than the basics for health monitoring along with smart features, the Fitbit Sense may be a bit overkill. In that case, the Versa 3 may be a more affordable option. However, if you want extensive health and fitness tracking and monitoring, the Fitbit Sense offers one of the most robust sets of tools and features available. And of course, it also offers support for both Alexa and Google Assistant.